How to delete Instagram account that is linked to another account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete Instagram account that is linked to another account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing you will need to do is open up your Instagram, and after you open it up, head over to the profile on the bottom right. After you're there, tap on the three lines and you're now on settings and activity. Now after you're here, head over to account center, and there you will find two different profiles. Now you can head over to one, and as you can see, your profiles are now linked. Now head over to other profile that's linked, and you can simply unlink the profile. Now you can unsync. The main problem is syncing the profile to each other. If you don't sync it, there should be no problem deleting either one of those. So after you're here, scroll down and you should see different options such as personal details and your information and permissions, your search history, and so much more. So what you'll need to do here is, after you're on your Meta account center, you'll need to head over to your personal details. Now right here you will see account ownership and control. Head over there and you should see two options. One is memorialization, the other is deactivation or deletion. We'll need to head over to the second one, and after doing that, choose the account that you want to delete, and again choose the delete option. Tap on continue and simply choose on the reason why you want to delete it. Now simply type in your password and you're good to go. So that is how you can delete Instagram account that is linked to another account. Thanks for watching. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.